Marcuise and Marak Menteri Berikmi Yakatanat PHE ke Sarkar Jela ula pentip Shen on Mang Tyngka ya ke Projek Sam Umbam ke ban penmentoi Tyli Shnong kata ke Mowkaīaw ke motorsia A bat motorsia B. Yakani Menteri ula pentip haba jubab haka kenta kali jingkali haka sengi baar ke dorbar Mang Tyngka ke yang dorbar tauan ke Jela haka katnyau terik rempang araja apun rio na ke jingkali uba nujor ki sunga u MLA ke United Democratic Party na Mowkaīaw constituency halor ke tega Projek. Haka jingkali benrap uba nujor ki ula ong. Bakanam don jing na ke benta ke jing don kam jaka na ke benta ke tega Projek ya ke bau menteri ula kentu ban penyo ya ke NOC bat penpoi syakatanat.
Thank you. Now we move on to question number 2, raised by Sri Nujorki Sungo MLA. Minister in charge to reply, please.
Sir, answer to star question 2. Sir, the DPR shall be prepared immediately on receipt of the land required for construction of various components of the project.
Yes, your supplementary questions, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. So I would just like to know from the Honourable Minister, what is the total number of household and population in these 3 villages, sir?
Sir, it's 4 villages, Mowkaīaw, Motorsia A, Motorsia B, Mowkaīaw. So total number of population as per the census to 2011 is 9,058, sir, and household is 1387.
Sir, it has been more than 10 years now, since 2011 census. So as per the record that is available with me, the total number of household is more than 2,300 and the total population is nearly 15,000, sir. So, sir, another supplementary question. I would like to know from the Honourable Minister, sir, what are the different components under this proposal, sir?
So the different components will be, construction of a dam for the intake point and water treatment plant, sir.
Sir, why I raise this very important question, sir? Despite being one of the biggest habitation apart from Jawai in Jainti Hills, we are facing water crisis almost every year, sir. So I used to remember when we were still young, we used to wake up in the morning, early at 1 a.m., 2 a.m. in the morning, we used to fetch water, sir. So that's why, sir, till now, the problem exists till now. So that's why, sir, I would like to request Honourable Minister, sir, whether the government is actively considering to sanction this proposal, sir?
So yes, sir.
One more supplementary, sir. First of all, sir, I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for the positive response, sir. So since the answer is yes, may I know, sir, whether there is any specific timeline? Because till now we are suffering, sir, because of water shortage. So that's why, sir, if you can get a specific timeline as to when this proposal will be sanctioned, sir. Because I can assure the House, as far as land, there is no issue, sir. I can assure the House, we will get the land, sir.
I would like to thank Honourable Member for assuring the land issue. But as per the record here, sir, Executive Engineer has already called a meeting for this particular matter, for these land issues and all. But till now, the department has not received any land issues. So I would request you, through you, sir, Honourable Member, if he can pursue it at the earliest and send the NOC to the department concerned, sir.
Sir, why I'm saying this, sir, because recently the officer from the PHE department, they only met one headman, sir. So from the headman side also, he has already assured that there won't be any problem with regard to the land issue. So I can assure you that, sir, and we'll take the necessary step and we'll make the necessary arrangement for the land, sir. Thank you, sir.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Kan nutrition bakam bha, ka jing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki mar ba modern ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.